I'm Aaron Thakkar. I had participated at the 4th International Olympiad on Astronomy and Astrophysics for juniors held in Romania. I won a gold medal there. It was a really great feeling. I felt that all my hard work and dedication that I had been doing for the past 1 year had finally paid off, and holding the national flag at the international level was a really great feeling. The portion for astronomy is vast, and there is no specified compiled book for astronomy Olympiads. So studying from so many books is not possible. So Narayana provided the required study material. I feel Olympiads are a great level to test your knowledge, your conceptual clarity and its application, which is very helpful in the long run in all aspects of life, not just your career. Thank you, Narayana.